Hey guys, this is Coach Barnhart. This is a game that you can play for Family Fun Day. It's called Table Bowling. And what you do is you get some lightweight objects. You can use ping pong balls, you can use eggs, work really well. You're going to roll the egg or roll the ball all the way down the table, and you're going to try to get it into the cups. We tape the cups to the end of the table, and we put little sticky notes with a point value. You can make those any point value you would like. You can play this game to 100 points, 50 points. You determine how high you want to play or what score you want to go to. We're going to demonstrate right now. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to try to roll the egg first. Take it, just roll it down the table, and try to make it in. That was 5 points. Now I'm going to go for 10. That's a little harder. It's on the edge. Roll down into the 10. Oh, missed it. Have fun playing table bowling. Hope you guys enjoy the game.